The next thing we'll be looking at now is yes, is a video capture card. What's a video capture card? A video capture card is an hardware device that takes video signals from an external source, like a game console or camera, and convert them into a digital format that a computer can process and use. In simple terms, a video capture card is what converts your camera signal from what analog to what to digital that your laptop can now read. Now, if you take your camera and you plug your HDMI to the camera and you plug the HDMI directly to the laptop without a capture card, is if you like use use the best of the best HDMI, your laptop is not going to see the signal from your camera. Why? Because it has not converted from what? From analog to what? To digital. Yes, I think there are some few laptops now that comes with like dedicated um, video capture card. I'm here to send, but I know online I've been hearing that okay, there are some laptops that comes with dedicated video capture card. But then, well, I've not seen any, so I can't really speak on it. But what I'm familiar with is that you need a video capture card to convert what your camera to what if you're going to take it. Now, I said something about input and output. So now you see that the camera is giving what now? The camera is giving out what? An output. And the output is going into where? The video capture card as an what? As an input. Are you guys with me or are you lost? Yeah, with me, right? So this output to input now. So is the video capture card now because it's going to have a I think I have one in my box there. Or where's my bag? I should have one. Let me check. Oh, this is great. Can everybody see this? So you can see that it's even indicated here that what input and what output. But from the camera is what is output. So output is coming into what input. Then another output again into what the laptop. So that's why it is a calculative. It's more or less like a mathematics thing. If you do it binary 1001, it's simple. You don't need to just once you just understand the logic of what input and output, you get your things right. You get it straight. So now the HDMI is coming into here, and what you plug this what to the laptop. Now there are different types of video capture devices. Then we have what they call the video mixers, which are popular everywhere. So we have different type of video mixers. I tried to put some picture here, so you see we have the Fuel World, we have the OC Go Stream, we have the Black Magic. So everything is on levels. The more you advance, the more, and even camera inputs. This one now can only take what one camera input. By the time you start using like two cameras, then you can now start going for even some churches that I know, two cameras they use this. So they just plug one here, plug another one there. So this is another example of a video mixer. Instances where you'll be using 4 cameras. This can only take in 4 camera inputs. So instances where you'll be using 1 camera, 2 cameras, 3 cameras, 4, you can use this. And you can also see that it has what? An HDMI output. I think they use this for the multi-view, while the USB output is used for the program view that goes into the laptop. So this plays now Type-C here, and once you plug your Type-C here, the other end goes into what? Your laptop. It's just the same thing with this one. Once you plug in your camera, the HDMI here, this plays what goes into what? The laptop. So it's basically doing the same thing. It's just that this can now accommodate what? More cameras. We have the one that can take up to 8 cameras. This other one that is here, the biggest mixer that you can see at the top left corner. That one can take in, I think, 20 cameras. And again, that one is an SDI based mixer. So it means that if you're going to use that, you have to make sure that your cameras are they are SDI. This one now, everything here is HDMI. So if you are buying cameras that is SDI based and you're running an SDI connection, you know that this thing is useless. Only if you want to go and start buying converters. But as God will have it, there's a good company that just thought of us and decided to help our life and do a mixer that can take both HDMI and SDI, which is the OC Go Stream. This one here. So you can see that this one has like a little bit of some things coming out from the side. So that one now, they did it in such a way that we have the SDI input here and HDMI input at the back like this. So if you get that kind of mixer now, you are rest assured that anywhere you go to, whether SDI or whether HDMI, or your camera is going to what? One of the reasons I've been using this mixer for like, this few word mixer for like, I think 2-3 years now. And you know, most people tell me, like when most people see me with it, they're like, but this mixer is not a professional mixer. And I'm like, is it doing the work? Yes. One of the reasons why I like the few word mixer is because it comes with its own screen. If you are familiar with HDMI cables and camera, you notice that there are some times where you just plug it in. Something you used last week Sunday, you come this Sunday, it's not working. You used it like you're not that who turned it off last week Sunday. This thing worked, the HDMI. There was a church where I was that if you check our roof, the amount of HDMI cable that is there. I mean, if we take it to Alaba, maybe at least we sell it for a reasonable amount of money. So, but everything is what? Is faulty. And you know, it's because of maybe handling. Because you know, when you're removing something every Sunday. So now, situations where we have like a faulty cable and all that, it's always easier for me to dictate because I already have what? A mixer with a screen. I plug it to the mixer. If I don't see it on my screen, check the camera. If I check the camera is not working, I check maybe the settings, maybe they've turned it from power to something and it's not working. I can confidently say that, oh, the cable is bad. Bring another cable. And by the time we test it on another cable, I see it on the... But most of the times when you use a mixer like this, you need to go around with either TV or monitor. Because can you plug a camera to this and dictate if it's working? You can't. So me personally, that's one of the reasons why I just like the few word mixer. Even though right now, the mixer I use most of the time is the OC Go Stream. And the only reason why I use the OC Go Stream is because now they now have a recording capability. You know, it's let me just use the word, it's very, very sweet when you know you can now mix and record your mix down directly on your mixer. Previously, I used to do it on maybe OBS, and you know that when you're live streaming and you're recording on your laptop, it drags the laptop. It makes, if your laptop is not a high-end laptop, you know, it just make the live stream draggy and everything. So when I found out that, oh, there's a mixer that you just need to, and you know, they made it so easy that all you just need to do is either put in the memory card or you add an SSD. That's how easy it is to record. So that's why I've been using that one lately. Other than that, if I have like a sharp, maybe like a corporate gig, because most of the time they don't always ask for their mix down. If I have a corporate gig, I don't like stress. I just carry the few word because I don't even need to go around it. You know that people believe so much in seeing a complicated and sophisticated workstation. They believe that when you put 20 TVs in your front, that's when you know that yes, this person can deliver. Have you not experienced it? You see some people that they'll put like 20 TVs in their front and they're doing the live stream, and the live stream is just going like this. It's just going like this. It's not even smooth. And yes, you see some people that will just hold one small thing like this and the live stream is going to be perfect. So I believe so much in simplicity. I don't like what if it's necessary, do it. If it's necessary, I say do it. But if it's not, then again, I know that yes, packaging, everybody wants to look like yes, they have it. So the mixers, that's it basically for the mixer. So the mixer basically is what you take in input from what your cameras and you know connect it to your laptop as a video capture card that you can use to bring in a live feed from your camera to your laptop.